Good morning, guys. Jason with JWClassicVW, and we're going to do a project today. It is a rainy, yucky day here in Houston, but let's see if you guys can guess what the project's going to be. Da-da-da. On the old 36 horsepower engines, actually probably 25 horsepower engines, there was a tube that would run right above the manifold and go behind the manifold, and you could run your spark plug wires through it. That's what I'm going to be working on, trying to make one of those. Alright, let's get some measurements first. I've got my little caliber here that I picked up from AutoZone for measuring stuff. Actually, I think this came from Home Depot. Let's turn it on, zero it out, and I want to get this measurement right here. We're looking at 1.22. Is it the same on the other side? I would assume it would be. We're close to it anyway. One, two, three. Close enough. Close enough. Alright, more to come. Gonna be heading over to Home Depot to see if I can find what I need to make it. Talk to you later, guys. Bye. Hey guys. Hope everybody's having a good Saturday. I went and found some of the materials that I think I'm going to need to do what I want to do, and I started kind of showing me what's up. First off, welcome back to JWClassicVW, and here's what I was going to do. Now, like I said before, on the classic 25 or 36 horsepower engines, they have this tube that runs behind the manifold, the intake manifold, to run your spark plug wires in. And I wanted to go ahead and try to set something up like that. So we're going to go ahead and start working on that. So I went to Home Depot and got some materials. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm working with here. So what I think I'm going to end up doing is taking some of these EMT pipe clamps for electrical stuff and shaping them to, this is close to the size of the manifold, shaping them to the size of the manifold, kind of bending this over some to where I can get the screw through. Screw through here. Backside, I might need to get a longer screw or just work with some of the shaping on this, and then I'm going to go ahead and pop a rivet or a little screw through here to hold the bar on the manifold. Now this is pretty cool. I'll show these to you guys. For your Volkswagen, you have these little plugs for your door to cover up the screws to get your doors off, and they just happen to fit perfect on this pipe. So I'm going to use that to seal off the end of the pipe. Alright. Alright. Okay. So, let's go ahead and work on getting this shaped up. I think I might have to hit it down a little bit and around a little bit with a hammer. I don't think it's going to need very much. There we go. I'm going to grind off these markings on here too, so that it looks a little bit more, I don't know. less Home Depot-ish. Now let's see if we can get the measurement on the sides here before we cut this thing. Oh yeah. That's a good size right there. Perfect. And I'll take my little hole punch. I got a hole punch that I can punch these out and then be able to run my plugs through it. Plug wires through it. Oh yeah, see that little flare made it tighter. Fit. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, really nice. Like that. That's gonna be really cool. A wee Volkswagen, right? All about having fun, right? Customize it, make it your own. Just like so. Let's take our clamps. Clamps will go right there. Oh yeah, man. That's why that screw on there. No problem. There. Give me an idea where I gotta punch this hole to. We're gonna have to rivet it. We're gonna have to open this sucker up. Oh. I want to be careful with that. Spread it right out. There we go. Keep that flat. Perhaps. Do not modify your tools. Took the guard off this one, but I don't recommend that to anybody. Do not mess with manufacturer's specifications, unless you want to. It's your tool. All right. A vise on this, but I don't have a vise, so this is what I use. That was pretty gnarly. It's pretty gnarly. rough. I want to kind of shine, so I use some sandpaper, maybe a little bit of oil. Let's see what we got here. 1200. That should do the trick. But if I hit it with a little bit, man, I don't know. A little bit of a carb cleaner, and take that black right out of there. What do you guys think? I think I will. Try it. Oh, look how shiny it is. That's cool. There we go. Textured copper pipe. That is pretty neat. I don't know if you guys can see it kind of in the light. That looks really cool. And it's going to be definitely a conversation piece. Like, what the heck is that? Copper pipe. Hell yeah. That's good. Really good. Totally dig it. So, next up is to grind these down. I'm going to put some paint on them. Some black paint. Oh, I'm going to have to touch up the manifold for sure. A couple places where I scratched it, but yeah, guys. Pretty good. Pretty good. Feels good. I have your spark plugs running through there. Spark plug wires running through there. And then once I get it riveted up there, yeah. Well, thanks for checking me out. Video number 2 down. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you guys think, man. Anybody got any ideas on some other cool stuff? Just trying to add something to it, make it a little different, make it stand out a little bit. You know, it's a smaller engine. Whoa, smaller engine, and you know, it's won't be in there forever, but it's kind of cool still to play and do fun stuff, right? I think so. All right, so what are we gonna call this? The copper spark plug wire guide. Yeah, I think so. I think so. Have a nice night, guys. See you later. Tune in for part 2 when we mount this bad boy.